Okay, so I want to show you something pretty cool. And no, it is night time. And what that means, I have to do the fan unboxing video tomorrow because, yeah. But I want to show you something else really cool, which ain't really relevant to the fucking fan. But hold your horses. Because right here, I went to Poundland, got myself a toolbox. Yes, there's shit in there. Well, about two things that are really amazing. So yeah, this toolbox costs £1. And I think it's been pretty cool. I did not realise the top of it is some type of like screwdriver set on there, like keep your screwdrivers in. But the problem is, my screwdrivers are too fucking big. Look at it. The reason why I sat there because it should be easier for me to like turn. But yeah, these are massive. This is the longest one ever. But let me show you how long they are. Yeah, these are quite long. There's a toolbox. Flip it open. And I'm going about to show you what's inside. So the first thing there is, I just try not to cut myself because I've got something really amazing. Oh my god. Why did I put it in there first? Anyways, polos. 2 packs of polos. And these are the fruit ones. Yeah, these are the ones that's going to get stuck on your fucking teeth if you're not bloody careful with. Sorry about that was a bit aggressive. Next is... Jesus Christ, that bloody hell. You probably saw it for a split second. I got myself a hacksaw. And I used this on the fan blade. It can cut. It fucking cuts. Not even joking. And you're wondering, Roman, you just stabbed yourself with a fucking screwdriver, you moron. Luckily didn't go through my hand. By the way, it's fine. But yeah, I promise I'm going to be fucking careful with this. And if it ain't crazy enough, my mum got herself a miniature box cutter. And I'll probably do a video on it. And I'll probably end up cutting my finger off. Because those fuckers are so sharp. But what's cool about this hacksaw, it comes with 2 extra blades, which is cool. Because when it costs £1, the blades were likely to snap. And I don't know what it's going to be like when the blades snap. Hopefully it doesn't snap and literally hit me in the eye, otherwise I'm fucked for the rest of my life. But that's not what I want to show you. Despite being cool. What I want to show you is... Let me move you over here. By the way, sunglasses. Just want to make sure... Yeah, by the way... Do I look cool with the sunglasses on? Yeah, I look like a twat. These fucking things are loose. My god. These things do not feel... Well, what do you expect? These are pounds. But yeah, I'm gonna keep them. What I want to show you is... I need to stop getting carried away. Because I'm just ruining myself. What I got here is a 360 Orb COB Light. And what the fuck is up when Poundland put the number 2 on their products? What does it mean? But yeah, I saw it. It could actually be perfect for hallways, bedroom, lofts, and used around the house. For some reason I've read bedroom as bathroom. Oh, you could use it as a bathroom as you want. It's bloody battery operated. And these are wall mounted ones as well, which is pretty cool. But the reason why I got this, because I saw and thought, it's going to come in handy, because I would love to do a video with the light off, and this is going to be perfect. Depends how powerful it is, but I'm feeling this could be mega powerful. So yeah, let's open it, see how it is. And if you're wondering what, ouch, fucking hell, if you're wondering what this is, there's a sticker, so you can put it on there, and you can have it as a wall mount, which I'm not going to do so. Because I'm not an idiot. Because I don't want to have it on the wall. Yeah, and it's magnetic as well, look. It's nice. Magnets hidden inside it. What's the instructions? And by the way, there's the wall mount right there. Thing is, does it come with any instructions? Oh yeah, the instructions are why are they at the bottom? So we remove the tab. Well, that was easy. How powerful is this light? Warriors! What the fucking hell? Warriors. Yeah, the magnet's hidden inside there. Okay. Oh, fucking hell, that's bright. Jesus. Oh my god. Stroke warning. Oh, fucking hell, man. What the... Jesus. So that's bright. That's not so bright. And that's... Oh, fucking hell, it's messing up with my eyes. Ah, fuck. Why did I shine in my ears? Not ears, eyes. God, I don't even know my own body parts. Anyways, let's turn off the light and see how it works. Okay. Make sure you can see. Right. This is bright. Fucking hell, that's bright. And it's a 360, so it can spin around. I can literally just pull it there. I can just put it there. Can you see me? Yep. There is... okay, that's a dimmer one. It's nice. Oh, still fucking bright though. And there's a flash one. Oh my god, I don't like it. Oh my god, I turned my whole room into like some type of... Yeah, I'm going to turn it off now because it's actually freaking me out. Okay, so... that was the light. That is nice. I hate the third setting though, the fact it flashes like that. Fucking hell. God, that really fucked my eyes up. You wondering how powerful this hacksaw is? It's fucking powerful. Let me try something a little bit better. What do I have that I can cut? I'm not going to cut this cord because it leads to the fan. Is there a fan that I don't often use? Do I have a broken fan blade? I could try on metal. Yeah, it's not the best idea. Should I try wood? I feel like this is the most dangerous way of cutting a fucking... I feel like this is like the most dangerous way of cutting fucking wood. To be fair, it's coming through it. I need to move my finger out of the way because I don't want to cut it. I can see the blades going down a little bit. I'm gonna get sawdust somewhere. It's still bloody... Oh yeah, again, wood dust over my fucking hands. Yeah, it can cut, basically. Oh, fucking hell. Let me see if I can just see if I can cut a little chunk off. I'm trying to be careful not to cut my hands off or any of my limbs off. By the way, they actually have giant handsaws. I should have got them. Oh yeah. Man's coming right through. There we go, look at that. Managed to cut a chunk of it. Fucking hell, it's a little bit bent. Well, that's what you get for... Fucking hell, it's warm. Wow. No, should have gone. Should have got one of those big giant hand saws. Oh, I might get that next time. Don't worry, I'm not going to get it. Just remember, need to stay safe. Jesus Christ.